if there's definitely one thing that Mexican cuisine is known for, it's their salads. Not so much. At least not in the United States. It's not really a common theme unless you're talking about like a taco salad or something, and that doesn't really count. This is true proper salad dressing right here to go on a crazy awesome wonderful salad. This here, you saw the title, you saw the whole thing. I'm not going to waste time telling you what this is. I'm going to tell you what we're putting in it. We've got cilantro, obviously. We've got lime, obviously. We've got avocado, obviously. We've got anchovies because it's a season. Anchovies. Come on. I got a couple of eggs here. We're going to use the yolks. And I'm even putting a little bit of Parmesan in this. You can put cotija if you like. I'm not allowed to put that in the salad dressing here in this house, so we'll just pretend it's cotija cheese. Could you put queso fresco in it? Yes, but why? You wouldn't do that. So we're going to do that, and a splash of Dijon mustard because, believe it or not, I believe the French did control Mexico at one point. So why wouldn't they have Dijon mustard? Okay, so that all checks history-wise, no problem. All right, so we are going to use our NutriBullet blender here to make this. We have got our cup, we've got our top, we've got all of our ingredients, and I've already talked too much. Let's get cooking. All right, I have, like I said, cilantro. I'm taking most of the stems off just because they're woody and weird and stuff. But this is a handful. A handful of cilantro is going in here. We are putting that down. I have a clove of roasted garlic. Basically, I just took a clove, put it on a piece of foil, set it in the oven, 375, about 20 minutes, and it's roasted. What that does is it takes the bitterness out of it. It takes that really sharp, garlicky, raw garlic. You don't want that. That is a bad thing, so don't do that. We're going to put a tablespoon or a teaspoon. I don't know. Where is it? Yeah, there it is. Okay. We're going to put that amount of this. I better go double check before I screw that up. Hold on. See, that guy always knows. This guy, not so much. All right. Try and get this thing open. There we go. Teaspoon? That looks like a teaspoon, doesn't it? It looks like a teaspoon. We've got a pinch of salt on this because you want it salty, right? Okay, the next thing that's going to go in here is the eggs. You have to use egg yolks, not the egg whites. So I am swinging a spurtle because that's how I like to separate. Okay, these things were all the rage a few years ago. What, 4 or 5 years ago, something like that. They were all over the infomercial thing. Yeah, I bought a set, and it's awesome. This is the best tool I've ever come across for separating egg yolks and whites. Okay, maybe not the best. Okay, I blame the bowl, but I can see. See that? See that? Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? Boom. Beautiful. You get a little white in there, it doesn't really matter. It's not like we're making a meringue or something where that is super, super critical. All right, let's see if I can do this better on the second one. I'll do it sideways this time. Oop. Oh, I got some shell in there. Dang it, I hate when I get shell in there. You never get it all out. Okay, that guy is really hanging on. Okay, perfect. Second egg yolk. Perfect. I might need these later. I don't know. I'm going to set that over there for now. Alright. I'm back. Juice of 1 lime. Because it's cilantro lime dressing. Avocado cilantro lime dressing. 1/2 down. If you don't have a citrus juicer and you do a lot of juicing of citrus, what's the matter with you? Okay. Avocado. I have a nice, beautifully ripe avocado here. We're just going to split the thing like that. Oh, and she's a beaut. She's gorgeous. Okay, we're just going to, whoop. There we go. She was really stuck in there. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. I should have grabbed a spoon for this because spoons are better for this job, but it's just going in here. It'll work. It'll suffice. And there's a lot of avocado. Oh yeah. So that's a small to medium avocado on that one. Whatever you get. I mean, dear Lord, that was the winner of the avocado lottery because that was beautiful. Okay, anchovies. Now we have a can of anchovies right here. I'll be honest with you, not my favorite thing in the world, but I'm a stickler for authenticity. So here we go. Rinse this off real fast. Okay, we need about 3 to 5 of the little fillets. So I'm just going to go in and grab some. There's about 12 in this can. That looks about right. Sure, why not? Roughly. There you go. All right, a little bit of Parmesan. This is fresh shaved Parm. If you have block, shave some. But just, you're not going to use a lot. Just a little bit. Just gives it a little bit more creaminess to it. Come on. We love the creaminess, right? Exactly. What am I going to do with those anchovies? Oh, I'm making pizza. No, I'm not putting that on pizza. Jeez, that's ridiculous. All right, pepper is the next thing goes in. Everybody loves pepper in their Caesar, so it is pepper. This is a real combination weirdness thing here. Definitely is. Last thing going is oil. I've got a half a cup of oil here. This is avocado oil because I won the lottery. No, I didn't. I just have some. And there's avocado in here, and I figured, well, that's a pretty good use for it. It's expensive. Use something cheaper if you'd like. You can use salad oil for this. It works just fine. Olive oil is also a good combination. I didn't forget anything else? No. Okay, good. All right, going in, and we are making some Caesar. I didn't put the eggshells in there, did I? Dang, that was violent. Okay, let's burp this and see what we get. Here we have some egg on the bottom here that's not fully incorporated yet. We're just going to go back. That is looking lovely. As always, I use pasteurized eggs because that's the only kind they sell now. Pretty much, unless you have, someone with chickens that will give you fresh, raw eggs that haven't been pasteurized. So they're safer. But eggs are actually sterile on the inside. It's the shell that's the problem, so wash your shells and don't contaminate the outside to the inside. Let's see what we got here. These things are so much fun. I think that is the main thing that kills the NutriBullet is the fact that it's so doggone hard to open. All right, I'm gonna have it. Dang, that is. Needs a little bit more salt though. It does actually need a little more salt. And I'm gonna have to thin this out just a smidge. So, needs more lime juice too. I'm putting a whole extra lime in it. 2 limes. It doesn't have the right limey flavor. The avocado really does add a massive amount of creaminess, but it really mellows out a lot of the other flavors because of the fat content of it. So you can get away with a little more of this, and it needs just that bit more acid. As we don't have any vinegar in this, obviously, this is what's taking place of that. Okay. There we go. I knew I'd find it eventually. Okay, maybe I won't overcrank it this time. All right, let's go crazy. Wait till it comes to a full and complete stop. Thanks. There you go. Give it a little. Try and get the stuff down to the bottom, out of the lid. Still stuck in the lid quite a bit. But, oh my goodness. Okay, clean finger. Oh my God, there it is. Okay, 2 limes. That is the key to that. 2 limes and a little bit extra salt, the extra pinch. That's about 1/4 teaspoon extra salt. That's so good. That is amazing and delicious. I can't wait to put that on a salad. I bet you can't wait to put that on a salad. And that's what I'm going to be doing. If you want to see that salad, oh, I'm going crazy with the salad that's going on. The salad's going to be featured over on my How to Cook channel, so if you want to see that, the Mexican grilled chicken Caesar salad with that dressing on it, you're going to have to go to that channel right there and check that out. Should be up about the same time this video is going up. Hopefully you watch that. Hopefully you like watching this because that is delicious. Look at how good that is. Come on. Yeah. I'm going to put the top back on this. This is going in the fridge, getting nice and chilled. It keeps a few days, but I'd use it quickly. All right. And quickly, I will also say thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you next time.